Welcome back to PDSN, Personal Digital Sovereignty Network. Today we're diving into a topic that's exploding across North America and Europe, even right here in Canada. The car ownership rebellion. People aren't just avoiding new cars because they're expensive, they're avoiding them because new vehicles have quietly become data collection machines, subscription platforms, and remote control devices. And a growing number of drivers are saying, no thanks, I'll keep my older car. Let's break down exactly what's happening. Modern vehicles aren't just transportation. They're computers on wheels, and those computers are watching you. Manufacturers collecting driver habits, your local history, your voice command, your phone contacts. If you sync Bluetooth, cabin camera footage, even barometric data in some models. This isn't conspiracy talk. This is documented in privacy policy. Most people never read. And here's the kicker. Many auto share this data with insurance companies, advertisers, and law enforcement. Not because you opted in, but because buying a car was the opt-in. This is the part that makes people furious. Car companies realize they can make more money by selling features you already own back to you as a monthly subscription. Example, BMW tried charging monthly fees to heat seats. Mercedes sells faster acceleration as a subscription. Tesla locks features behind monthly payments. GM wants subscriptions based on remote start. Ford experimenting with subscriptions, only convenience features. You buy the hardware, they lock it behind software. Then they rent it back to you. This is the same digital selfdom we've been talking about for months, except now it's happening with physical machines. Over the air update sounds convenient, but they come with a dark side. Manufacturers can disable features, add new features, change performance, remove previously included functions, track usage patterns, push ads in your dashboard, and yes, some companies have remote kill switches. Your car is no longer a machine you control. It's a device you control. Older cars are becoming more valuable because you can actually fix them. New cars require dealers to lock diagnosis tools, proprietary software, subscription repair manuals, encrypted ECUs, DRM protection components. This means independent mechanics and you are being locked out of your own vehicle. People are responding by keeping older cars alive longer than ever. We're seeing a cultural shift. Drivers are holding on to 90s trucks, early 2000s sedans, pre-2015 Japanese cars, older diesels, anything without a modem, a camera, or a subscription system. These vehicles are becoming vinyl records of the automotive world, symbols of ownership, independence, and privacy. Prices for older models are skyrocketing because They represent the last generation of cars that were fixable, private, durable, features complete, truly owned. This is the same movement we're seeing with physical media, offline computing, and local storage. People want control back. Our companies aren't doing this accidentally. They want reoccurring revenue, behavioral data, insurance partnerships, monetizable analytics, remote fleet management, predictive maintenance subscriptions. Cars are becoming smartphones, surveillance devices, data harvesters, subscription platforms, and consumers are responding by opting out. Over the next decade, we'll see a split. Camp A, people who accept subscription and data models, they'll drive a new EV, connected car, and a live inside ecosystem. Camp B, people who preserve older vehicles, they'll maintain older cars like people maintain older vinyl records or physical media because it represents sovereignty. This is a car ownership rebellion. If you if you're new to this is PDSN. Is This is what PDSN is all about. Understanding how technology is reshaping ownership, privacy, and personal freedom. If you drive an older car, you're not behind the times. You're ahead of the curve. Drop your thoughts below. Are you keeping an older vehicle? Are you avoiding subscription cars? Let's talk about it. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.